Welcome back. I got a quick follow-up to the geometry video I did yesterday. I've been playing around a little bit with the edges, and I want to show what I'm talking about as far as sharpness, where shaving sharpness is so overrated. I mean, it's really something that you don't have to be real concerned about. I took this PSK knife on this Scotch-Brite pad and I dulled it. I'll do it again. Ran it over this Scotch-Brite pad, dulled the edge. There's absolutely, it's like a butter knife. Ran it over just like that. Flatten the edge. There's absolutely no cutting edge at all. I mean, it's dull. It's very dull. I mean, it won't even, you can see I'm pushing it, won't even take hair off my arm. And as far as cutting paper, you know, you can't even hardly cut paper with it. Get it started, there you go. Even without an edge on it, let me get it in here, it still will cut paper. Takes a little bit of effort, but it will cut paper. Right like that. It's dull though. I mean, to a point where someone would, you know, be really upset with how dull it is. But I just want to show that even with no cutting edge on it, with the right geometry, this thing will still cut. Now, the rule is, you know, when a knife's dull, you have to push harder, and it's not as safe as a sharp knife. I'm not saying that you shouldn't keep your knife sharp. I just want to show the fact that if it isn't sharp, as a lot of people want knives to be, that it's still effective as a cutter. And I'll show how I can get wood off of here even with a dull knife. Turn the camera down here a little bit. Okay, here's a piece of, this is a piece of pine lumber. It's not as effective as if it was sharp, but you can see it's still, you have to use more effort, but I mean, this knife's pretty dull, but it's still able to cut with the right geometry. You can see where I'm still able to work this blade and get wood curls off. Now, like I say, you know, you're going to want to have it sharper than this, but I'm just saying, if it's not super shaving sharp, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, this thing is dull as can be, and look, I was able to get curls up off this piece of wood. This wood's pretty hard. So I just wanted to point that out. I didn't get a chance to do that yesterday, and I wanted to point out the fact that just because your knives aren't shaving sharp doesn't mean that they're not going to work. But again, it is important to keep your knives sharp, because you don't want to have an accident with them being dull. But I just wanted to show, with the right geometry, even a dull knife will still cut well. So that was a quick explanation I wanted to add on to the video from yesterday. And I'm going to sign off here now. And once again, be safe out there and enjoy your outdoor pursuits.